Am I on the moon? Hey, hello anyone out there? Hey! Hey, anyone? This is no joke, man. No one? Help. Help, please. Hey, please someone tell me how I came to the moon? I was on my bed, but how I came here, man? I have an idea. This is going to be interesting, but at the same time worrying. No one is here. Can I jump from the moon and reach my bed? What if I fall down? What? Look, I am wearing this headphone on the moon. But anyway, I want to get out of here. I have no other option than to jump. But how? Be courageous, man. I will have to be brave enough to jump. Ladies and gentlemen, I am going to jump and reach my bed. But let me sit down first. How deep is this? Oh my god. There is nothing down, man. All dark. I am afraid.
Your phone is ringing from last 10 minutes, son. Why don't you answer it?
Mom. I was sleeping, Mom. It was a scary dream.
Which dream, my son?
Mom, I was on the moon, trying to jump, but fortunately my phone rang here. And I got to woke up. It was scary though, but ended up nicely.
It's okay, honey. Have some water and make sure to remove your headphones before you sleep.
Finally, I'm on planet Earth. On my lovely bed. Thanks for watching, kids. Subscribe if you like our videos.